The year 2021 has turned out to be a game-changer for most of the groundbreaking altcoin projects. Interestingly, Crypto.com, which has exhibited rapid volatility throughout the year, has been one of the innovative projects to look out for in the long term. The key goal of the platform has focused on facilitating utility to the traders of Crypto.com's financial services, trading, and payment solutions. In addition, the platform further offers a wide-range view of several markets all across the globe with a numerous number of cryptocurrencies, fiats, perpetual, and futures, shaping it as the best investment option. Amazed by the short introduction of the platform? Would like to invest in the asset and wish to know the detailed analysis of the asset? You are in the right place. This video presents you everything about Crypto.com, starting from fundamentals to price prediction for short-term and long-term. Let's dive in. What is Crypto.com? Crypto.com Coin is a decentralized and open-source blockchain developed by Crypto.com, a financial services and trading organization. CRO is the native token and one of the products of Crypto.com chain, intending to build the cryptocurrency network projects and emerging the merchants' eligibility to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payments. Crypto.com plans to expand its platform's reach to other platforms as well, and therefore impact the CRO price positively. Fundamental analysis of Crypto.com. Chris Marszalek, Rafael Melo, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao founded Crypto.com in June 2018 as Monaco Technologies. CRO currently can be traded on popular platforms like Huobi Global, OKEx, HBTC, etc. Chief founder Chris Marszalek carried experience in working with 3 reputed tech firms before he got an idea to launch Crypto.com. Notably, he worked with Staline Polska, consumer electronics design and manufacturing business, and BECRAZY, a well-known e-commerce firm. On the other hand, Rafael Melo, who completed his graduation from the PUC Rio, accumulated with 15 years of prolonged work experience in finance. He has worked with reputed firms in Asia and achieved to secure more than 50 million odd in funding for the social commerce website called Insogo. Gary Orr has completed his graduation in computer science from the University of Hong Kong. He accumulated knowledge of full-stack website development for 9 long years. He was an architect at Insogo and also co-founded the mobile application development firm Forus. The dedicated team has been working on several groundbreaking upgrades to allow traders to exploit a maximum number of benefits from the platform. Crypto.com Coin Technical Analysis. The gradual but steady rise in the price of Crypto.com Coin, CRO, may not have won at the topmost cryptocurrency award, but smart investors have learned to wait and watch for this coin to perform and work wonders on exchange. Many forecast experts of the crypto world have investment advice. The price of existing CRO tokens is around 11 cents per coin worth as of date, with a bright future for trade-making investors buy CRO tokens. Based on our CRO price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is around the level of $100. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 20,000%. Wallet investor. Finally, a ray of hope for the future price of Crypto.com Coin, CRO. The CRO's price is around $4 per token. According to our Crypto.com Coin forecast, the token price could reach the $7 mark by the end of the year and so turn a profitable investment along with global adoption. Market Realist. Based on our predictions, CRO's price may reach $30 by the end of 2022, making investors buy CRO tokens at the current price level. Trading Beasts. Based on historical data and our price forecast, the Crypto.com Coin, CRO, might cross $13 by the end of the year and $200 after 5 years. Reddit Community. CRO Price Predictions, 2021 to 2025. A lot can be said about Crypto.com partnerships and corporate responsibility factors that are known to push the price momentum of the crypto CRO in the near future. Crypto.com has recently acquired an Australian financial services license. It has also launched $200 million funds for crypto startups as an aggressive gesture. The Crypto.com exchange has also launched an NFT platform. Let's explore the future of Crypto.com Coin, CRO, and whether it is worth investing in the Crypto.com Coin, CRO Price Prediction 2021. If the crypto market turns favorable, this digital asset, Crypto.com coin, is set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, it would surely show signs of fortune for its traders. Backed by robust smart contracts, the CRO coin price may easily touch $10 by end of the year 2021. CRO price prediction 2022. Considering there are no sudden jolts or a stony path ahead for cryptocurrency markets, CRO is all set to show a bullish sign to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking it to cross all barriers, scaling $16. CRO price prediction 2023. CRO has established a fast, reliable network and works with the user experience of the product based on algorithm calculation. These features can help the CRO coin gain higher prices of $23 per coin. If the drive for functional crypto continues into 2023, the price may even see a paradigm rush. CRO price prediction 2024. There are quite a few speculations going forward for Crypto.com coin, CRO. Especially keeping in perspective the forecasts, the technological announcements, and progress the company has designs on. There are forecasts the coin price may reach $34, making it worthwhile for the coin users. CRO price prediction 2025 and beyond. Based on our forecast for the 2025 price trend, the Crypto.com coin, CRO, is also active in the community initiatives, with a focus on education, outreach, and innovations that may take the coin price to an appreciable level of $40. The token is set to pick up the pace with other cryptocurrencies, and the CRO price will stabilize to bring gallant returns for its users. Frequently asked questions. How do I transact through the Crypto.com exchange website? Like other exchanges, you need to open an account, personal or professional, on the Crypto.com website with the same method as you do for trading on other platforms. Also, you need to follow the same steps you do during a fiat bank account opening. Withdrawal too follows the equivalent procedure. All this calls for your KYC verification, and the Team Crypto.com network is there to support. Is Crypto.com wallet safe? The Crypto.com app and DeFi wallet are reasonably safe, as many people across the globe are using the platform to buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and other crypto assets. While using the platform, you can avail multiple services like buying and selling coins in the cryptocurrency market without any risk of fraud. Where to buy Crypto.com coin? The best would be to utilize in-house exchange like the Crypto.com website. Moreover, few well-known exchanges, like Bittrex, KuCoin, and Huobi Global also offer it. There's an overview of the chain of exchanges like Binance and Huobi Global available to you and to help you buy or sell CRO for easy comparison, indicating signs and showing calculations.